Hi, this is Holly Olson. I didn't know if you wanted us to talk in the video, but I like to talk to explain things. So this is my template page, and there's room right here. This is the header with my logo and my account and my active working nav bar, and this is my footer, and in between would be able to put the main the stuff that you need. And then here is my page, my home page. Here we have the header with my account, the logo, and the active working nav bar. And you come down, you say welcome to Acme. You see Wily Eyed Coyote, and over here it says Acme Rocket, Quick Lightning Fuse, NHTSA approved seatbelts, mobile launch stand included. And I put one in now, and that page is not working, it's not been made yet, so you don't actually see anything, but it does work. Down here further we see the reviews for the meats, and we have some pictures with recipes for other Roadrunner meats you'd like to eat. And then here's the footer again. Okay, now I'll show you that this is a responsive page. We go here and we make it as if it's a size for a phone. As you can tell, I had some difficulty with some of the things, but I got it working. You're able to click on each of the navigation bar pages and they will click on them. Right here I had a lot of trouble trying to get this to stay small and stay right here. It just wouldn't do that, but I got it to where it wasn't blocking the nav bar anymore and it would work. And here it's just slightly covering up Wile E. Coyote, and you could read it and you can click on that button and it'll take you to the non-working page. And then here are the reviews, the food, and the recipes underneath them, and the footer. Here it is with my CSS being validated. It says I have one error because it says this color code does not work, though it's the color code that you gave us. But here is the valid CSS information, and it all works, and I did it all as it should be. And then over here is my CSS, my HTML, and I did this. It says I have an error with the background attribute because I put it in the HTML instead of the CSS. I struggled very hard trying to put it in. So I tried to put the background in using CSS instead of like this, and it ended up causing so much hassle. I ended up losing my CSS page over it. It was a lot of hassle, so I'm sorry, but I was not able to get that to work. And then it says I have errors because it says the PHP does not work with HTML. So those are what those two errors are for. And as you can see here, here's where I have the style that's actually in the HTML. I know it's wrong, I just couldn't figure out how to get it the other way and have everything working still. And then here's where the one PHP is and the other PHP code. So I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I hope that my baby's voice wasn't causing too much hassle. I got everything done that I needed to. Hope you enjoy it.